Electric cars, it just sort of just came out of nowhere, and there was a lot of questions. Our biggest problem was, where can we charge our cars, or how can we have that charging station at the convenience of our houses, right? Some of our clientele don't have garages, or so can they have a weatherproof charging stations, right? So these are some of the simplest problems that NSN Electrical have sorted and solved for us, actually. My dealings with NSN Electrical began roughly about 2 years ago. Zach and I became instant friends, actually. And I think our interests have aligned. He was in our area where we sell cars. At the time, electric cars were a big push by the government, by the factories. We started talking about it, but most importantly, we work in the same area, so we serve the same clientele. And that's definitely working with someone as NSN Electrical serves the purpose of core beliefs. We serve the customer from not just from the beginning until the middle, but it's a whole journey with them. Now with this electric vehicle, there is some questions that our sales team or I can't answer. So having someone with the knowledge, that definitely does help us. Some of our clients had actually very strange questions that we couldn't even find the answers on Google. They're only a phone call away. It made it easy for us, and naturally, customers, they just had someone to just call up and say, hey, Zach, or whoever was in the team, this is what we're struggling with. Can you help us out? And they were there from the very beginning till the end of the journey. Having that sort of partnership with the local company definitely helps us see our customers, and in return, helps us out. So the feedback that we've been getting from our clientele has been very positive. They've been doing their job to a high standard of quality. And yeah, when we ask the customers how their journey with NSN Electrical was, mate, it's been nothing but positive. Absolutely, no doubt in my mind, EV chargers will add value to a customer's house. There was a real estate ad that I've seen not long ago, and I love watching those real estate ads. And this house had all the pool and had everything going for it, right? But the camera kept on coming back to that charger in their garage, right? The convenience of charging electric vehicle. They had the solar panels up there as well, and that was just their selling point. They've only talked about the pool once. They've only talked about the views twice, because one downstairs you can see the views and one upstairs from the bedroom, but that charging station had been mentioned, I reckon, more than 5 times. Electric cars, without a doubt, is going to be a big part of our future. When Henry Ford first brought out their Model T, everyone was riding their horse and cart, and when the first internal combustion engine was built, everyone was taken back by it. They didn't want a bar of it. Some people did, some people didn't, and here we are today.